Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fine woodworking, with a focus on the best saws that deliver precision cuts. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, using the right tools can make a world of difference. This video will guide you through our top picks for saws that promise accuracy, durability, and a smooth cutting experience. Let's get started. Number 1. RUITOOL Ryoba Hand Saw 6-inch. The RUITOOL Ryoba Hand Saw showcases a remarkable 6-inch blade that is perfect for fine woodworking. Its dual-edged design features both cross-cut and rip-cut teeth, allowing for versatile cutting options depending on your project needs. The ergonomic grip is designed with comfort in mind, providing a secure hold that minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. Made of high-carbon steel, the blade is not only sharp but also durable, ensuring that it retains its edge through multiple uses. This saw is particularly effective for cutting intricate joints and fine details, making it a favorite among woodworkers who value precision. The threading along the handle provides added texture for improved control, while the compact size makes it ideal for tight spaces where larger saws may struggle. Overall, the RUITOOL Ryoba Hand Saw delivers exceptional performance, combined with a user-friendly design that will undoubtedly make it a staple in your workshop.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Frocopo 6-inch Pull Saw. Next up is the Frocopo 6-inch Pull Saw, an impressive tool that excels in delivering clean, precise cuts. This pull saw is characterized by its pull stroke cutting action, which not only enhances control but also reduces splintering, making it ideal for delicate tasks. The 6-inch blade is made of high-quality SK5 steel, providing excellent durability without compromising on sharpness. One of the standout features of the Frocopo is its lightweight design, allowing for easy maneuverability and comfortable handling. Ergonomically designed rubber grip provides a non-slip hold, ensuring stability even in demanding jobs. The saw's slim profile allows it to navigate tight corners and intricate shapes effortlessly, making it perfect for fine woodworking projects such as model making and furniture assembly. Users will appreciate the precision of the Frocopo as it glides smoothly through the wood, leaving behind neat edges that require little to no sanding. Overall, this saw is a reliable choice that brings quality and efficiency to any woodworking toolkit. Number 3. QYQRQF Pro Hand Saw 14-inch. Step up your woodworking game with the QYQRQF Pro Hand Saw, which boasts a generous 14-inch blade for larger projects. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this saw offers excellent strength and longevity, suitable for both softwoods and hardwoods. Its tooth design is laser-ground for precision cutting, ensuring clean lines and minimal effort required during each cut. The ergonomic handle features a comfortable grip that is designed for extended use, allowing you to make precise cuts without feeling strained. Additionally, the saw is equipped with an anti-slip feature that enhances control, making it safer and easier to handle even in slippery conditions. The QYQRQF excels in versatility, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks, ranging from crosscuts to rip cuts. In terms of durability, you can expect the blade to maintain its sharpness over time with proper care and maintenance. Whether you're constructing furniture or engaging in detailed woodwork, the QYQRQF Pro Hand Saw is designed to meet your demands efficiently and reliably. Number 4. SUIZAN Flush Cut Saw 5-inch. Small but mighty, the SUIZAN Flush Cut Saw features a compact 5-inch blade optimal for flush cutting and trimming tasks. Its unique design allows you to cut right down to the surface of the material, perfect for making precise cuts in tight spaces. Made from top-quality Japanese steel, this saw is known for its incredible sharpness and precision, making it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. The thin blade of the SUIZAN Flush Cut Saw ensures that you experience minimal resistance as you cut, allowing for seamless motion that requires less effort. Its TPR handle is designed for comfort and ease of use, offering a firm grip that enhances control during operation. The flush cut capabilities make it exceptional for finishing work, such as cutting dowels or pegs cleanly and accurately. Durability and effectiveness combine in this saw, making it perfect for those who demand precision. The SUIZAN is a testament to fine craftsmanship, and with the right techniques, it can elevate your woodworking projects to a higher standard. Number 5. Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw. Introducing the Goldblatt Folding Drywall Saw, a versatile tool that's perfect not only for drywall, but also for fine woodworking applications. While it's primarily designed for drywall installation, its sharp, serrated blade can efficiently handle wood-cutting tasks as well. The folding design makes it incredibly portable, seamlessly fitting into your toolbox or pocket, making it ideal for on-the-go projects. This saw features a high-carbon steel blade that promises longevity while providing a precise cutting experience. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to manage cuts confidently without worrying about slippage. Additionally, its foldable design enhances safety by protecting the blade when not in use, reducing the risk of accidents. The Goldblatt saw's versatility shines through in its ability to handle various materials, making it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Whether you're installing drywall or crafting a wooden piece, this saw provides you with the performance and efficiency you need for any project. Number 6. KERYE Ryoba Pole Saw 9.5-inch. The KERYE Ryoba Pole Saw features a 9.5-inch blade that combines traditional Japanese craftsmanship with contemporary design. This dual-purpose saw includes both crosscut and rip-cut teeth, which allow woodworkers to switch between cutting styles effortlessly. The saw blade is constructed from high-quality Japanese steel, ensuring durability and superior sharpness for precision work. Designed for comfort and control, the KERYE Ryoba has an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to saw through various types of wood. The grip is designed to minimize hand fatigue, providing an efficient cutting experience. The saw's thin blade cuts cleanly and produces minimal waste, which is essential for intricate woodworking projects. Additionally, the craftsmanship of this saw speaks to its reliability, as it effortlessly transitions from rip cuts to crosscuts while maintaining a steady performance. The KERYE Ryoba Pole Saw is a fantastic option for woodworkers looking for quality, precision, and versatility in their toolkit. Number 7. VANQUISH Mini Wood Hacksaw. Last but certainly not least, we have the VANQUISH Mini Wood Hacksaw, a smaller tool that punches above its weight. Measuring just 10 inches in length, this mini hacksaw is perfect for small projects, making precise cuts in confined spaces. The high-carbon steel blade is designed for durability and sharpness, ensuring you achieve smooth cuts every time. The mini design allows you to handle intricate tasks and make detailed cuts, whether it's for model building or crafting delicate wooden items. The handle is ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip, making it easier to control the saw during use. Despite its compact size, the VANQUISH is surprisingly robust and holds up well under pressure. One of the significant advantages of this mini hacksaw is its lightweight nature, which makes it portable and convenient for all types of woodworking tasks. If you're on the hunt for a handy little saw that doesn't skimp on quality, the VANQUISH Mini Wood Hacksaw is a must-have. And there you have it, our top picks for the best saws for fine woodworking. Each of these tools is designed to provide precision cuts for your projects, and they cater to various woodworking styles and needs. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these products. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more woodworking tips and reviews. Happy woodworking!